Good afternoon, everyone. Today's topic is time series forecasting pipeline from raw data uh, to the prediction. In my previous presentation, we discussed time series challenges and different forecasting models. Today, I will explain how we go from raw data to final prediction using a complete step-by-step pipeline. Then first is what is the forecasting pipeline? Forecasting pipeline is a step-by-step process that converts raw time series data into predictions. It ensures good quality data, then correct modeling and reliable results. Then it avoids helps avoid problems like data leakage and poor accuracy. This kind of pipeline is widely used in the real world machine learning and business system, not just in academical projects. Then first step is a data collection and understanding. Here we collect the data from sensors, databases, APIs or logs, and identify the time frequency like daily or monthly. Then we also check for missing values and outliers and visualize data to observe trends and seasonalities. For example, in store sales data, we may see higher sales during festival, which shows seasonality, and some missing months, which means we need cleaning. This step it's important because poor data quality leads to poor prediction and early detection. Saves time later. Then second step is data processing. Here we handles missing values, remove remove or treat outliers, and then make data stationary using differencing if needed. We also scale data from deep learning models. This step is important because clean data improves model accuracy and prevents the model for learning wrong patterns. For example, we can fill missing cells using interpolation, then remove error spikes and apply differencing to remove long term trends. Then a third step is feature engineering. After cleaning data, we perform feature engineering. We create a lag feature, add a rolling statistic like moving averages, then include external factors like holidays or weathers. Then we can also convert time into useful signals like days or months. This step helps the model to understand temporal patterns and significantly improves accuracy, especially for ML and deep learning models. For example, like using last 7 days or 7 days of data for sales to predict tomorrow's sales. Then fourth step is model selection and training. Now in this step we select the models and train the model based on data we chosen. Suppose like models like Arima, Puffit, or LSTM, and then split data using time-based split. Um, then this step avoids the late data leakage where future data accidentally enters training. Then for example, Arima works well for small stable data, while LSTM works better for large sensor data sets. Then for the step six, um, after training, for the step five, after training, we evaluate the model. We compare the prediction with the actual values using matrices like MAE, RMSE, and MAP, and use rolling forecasting validation. This ensures the model performs well on unseen data and avoids false confidence. For example, if errors are high during festival weeks, it means the models it's not handling seasonality well. Then the last step of this pipeline is prediction and deployment. Once the model performs well, we move to the prediction and deployment. We generate a future forecast, visualize them on dashboards, and integrate them into application. Since data changes over time, we monitor performance and retain the model regularly, and fine tune the model so regularly by using the fine tuning concepts. Then, for example, sales forecasting may be shown to business managers, and the models is retrained every month. Yeah. For the conclusion, time series forecasting is not just about choosing powerful model. Every step in the pipeline for data collection to deployment plays an important roles in accuracy. So good data processing and correct model selection leads to the reliable and real world ready prediction models. Thank you.